Hey guys, welcome in this new video. So I've recently switched to EndeavourOS from Manjaro, and I wanted to show you guys a cool trick, which is how to install .deb files into Arch-based distributions. So for example, if I go into Free Download Manager and I click Download for Linux, they only provide a .deb file, okay, for Ubuntu 22.04 or later. So if I click Install, it will install a deb file. So how do you install those files on Arch-based distribution? Well, it's super easy. I've installed imac from the Manjaro distribution here on EndeavourOS 2 because I like it. And you're going to search for debtap. And there is this cool package from the AUR called debtap mod. So you want to click on it and you want to click build. And if you don't have imac, you don't have a GUI AUR manager, you can just do yay -s debtap mod, okay? But I like to do it from here. So you're going to build it, and you're going to apply, you're going to say yes, and then you just have to wait until it finishes building, which is gonna be very fast. So it already finished, and it took like 10 seconds. So now when we open our file manager, if we right click, as you can see it pops up install deb file. So we're going to open it, and this pop-up will come up saying that, oh, are you sure you want to do that? Yes. Click install, and it's starting the installation. Then we have to click apply again. We're going to authenticate. And then it's done. You can close. And look at this. It's here. And it's working. The deb file has been converted to a format that Arch Linux can understand, and now it works. And so that's the trick. That debtap mod thing will make you install easily any .deb application on any Arch-based distros. So that's it for today's video. It was very short, very helpful. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.